Aisha shit, but we mo like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha shit I gave you.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. And so today I am going to attempt to do a eyeshadow look with blue eyeshadow. I don't think I've ever done a blue eyeshadow look. Well, actually I did for a New Year's cut crease a few years ago. I think it was 2016. Let me zoom this in just a little bit. Yeah, so I did a cut crease for New Year's, but it was simple. Like, I wasn't trying to do nothing like what I'm trying to do right now. Like what I'm trying to do now is kind of high tech. I'm gonna be using the box of the box of crayons palette again by the Crayon case. This is the only palette I brought with me. I meant to bring another one, so hopefully I'll be able to get everything done that I need to get done. So I'm not gonna talk forever and ever in the intro like I normally do. I'm gonna go in with the color C2. This is it's not the whitest, but in my last video I told you I was gonna get some concealer. Well, not my last video because I don't even know when this video is going up. But one of my makeup videos, I said I was gonna get some more of this concealer, the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the color C2. They were sold out of C1, which is the whitest concealer you can get. So I'm gonna have to use this. And I said I wanted to start using some really white concealer to do cut creases and make sure that my colors show up really well. So this stuff is really white, as you can see. So I'm really hoping that I can get it to do what I need it to do. Because I'm going to try and do a halo. We'll see. They normally don't turn out like I want, but we're going to keep doing these halo looks until we can get better at them, because that's the only way to get better at them. So if you're a beginner like me, then I hope you can follow along in this tutorial. So first we're going with a transition color. Normally I like to use orangey colors for transition, or like a light brownish orange. So the color I'm going to go in for my transition is going to be this color here called Tan. I'm going to dip my Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. I told y'all I love using this brush as a transition color brush. So I'm going to put that in, not in the crease, but a little above the crease, because like I said, this is going to be my transition color. So I'm going to try and bring the transition shade up just a little bit, because I want to make sure that you can still see this color once we add the blue. Alright you guys, so the next color I'm going to go in with is going to be blue. This is a really metallic blue, so I'm honestly not even sure how this is going to come out. I just really don't know. So I'm going to use this tapered eyeshadow brush. This is by the brand, it's Q-I-V-A-N-G-E. I don't know how to say it. I mess it up every time. So I'm gonna go in with this brush. This color is called Blue. I think this is a bad idea, and I honestly don't think this is gonna come out like I want, because like I said, this blue, it's not a match color, it's a metallic color. So I don't even think it's gonna, yeah, as you can see, it's not showing up as dark and deep as I need it to be, because I really want this to be like a halo eye. So I think I'm gonna have to pat this color on instead of blending it on. I don't feel like it's as even as I want it to be, but we're gonna try and just make this work, because one eyelid does have way more, I don't even know what word I'm gonna use. But so I thought I brought my setting spray, and I know I brought it. Yeah, so in my mind last night, I can literally remember putting the setting spray in here. Like, I literally remember grabbing it and putting it in there, and now it's like not even there. Why does this happen to me? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna cut this. I really wanted to use some setting spray. I mean, I have a little bit. I'm gonna just spray my brush once. because I really need this to set my makeup once I'm done. So I really don't need to be using this. Okay, that's all I'm doing. One spray. One spray. This is such a pretty blue. Like, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. But it's very glittery and it has lots of fallout. So if you don't like fallout, you're probably not gonna like this palette, or you might want to have plenty of setting spray at your disposal because you're gonna need it. Now I'm gonna cut the crease finally. We're gonna see how this goes because as of right now, I'm not even sure I like this yet. This might be one of those looks that don't look right until you add the lashes. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. Again, this is color C2. It's the second whitest shade. Ugh, let me get my hair out the way and try and cut this. Okay, so that's about as white as I can get it. So while this concealer is wet, I'm going to go in with the color Baby Blue. Where's my smaller brush? Okay, so I'm going to go in with the color Baby Blue. This is also a really pretty metallic-y color. And then I'm going to put white in the center, if I can get this to act right. So I'm going to go in with Baby Blue. It's a really pretty blue color. I'm gonna leave my concealer wet just to see if this will help this stick better. Because I want the baby blue and the blues to blend like effortlessly. They're not at the moment, but it's okay, because I'm going to fix it. Now I'm going to go in with the color, it's called White. It's as simple as that, white. I'm going to spray my brush one more time and pray that I have enough to set my face with after. Okay, so I'm going to go with the color White. It's really white. Putting that right in the middle. Okay, so that blended seamlessly with the light blue. So now I gotta blend the light blue with the dark blue because the white blended really easily, which I expected because it's white. Ooh, I love it. It looks so pretty, you guys. Ooh, I really like this. So then now I'm just gonna focus on blending the colors together seamlessly. Guess I just had to just. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in with white. And then I'm gonna do my other eye off camera now that I somewhat have an idea of what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna do my other eye and I will be right back. No, when I come back, I'm gonna have my lashes on too, so it's gonna be a minute. I'm gonna go in with this liquid liner and put this in the crease or directly above the crease. Hopefully this stuff shows up really well. So I think I might just try and go in with my liquid liner, the blue liner. See how that comes out. So what I'm going to do is, I know I said I was going to come back with lashes on, but it didn't turn out that way. So what I'm going to do is do liner and lashes, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I finally got my lashes on. Took the longest time. So what I'm going to do is my foundation and stuff. So first I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, if it'll focus. Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I hate white bottles, they just look so gross when they get dirty. But that's just from being in this makeup bag with all this other stuff. But this stuff I really like. It says it's shine controlling, pore minimizing, hydrating feel, and smooth skin. So I definitely like this. So I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. And now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible. This is everything. I'm gonna use a new brush today. This is, it's called the Flat Top Foundation Brush. There is no brand. Oh, Lavish is the brand. I think I got this from like Burlington Coat Factory. I think that's where I got this from. I'm gonna try and like stipple it in over here because I don't want to rub away my baby hairs. And I used the, what is it called? Got to Be glue to do my edges today. So if I mess with these, they're gonna be really flaky looking. But we don't have time for all those flakes. All right, now I'm going in with my normal routine, my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, my Real Technique sponge. I'm literally gonna use this stuff until I'm out. I'm kind of scraping the sides to get some. That might be the only con about these concealers, is they don't have a lot of product. But then again, they're only $6. Now I'm gonna set with my Sacha Buttercup, the only setting powder that I ever use. Sorry y'all, my memory card ran out of space. I had to delete some old stuff that I should have been deleted. It's amazing how powdery your face can look if you don't, like, setting your makeup really with setting spray definitely helps the powderiness, powdery look go away, which is why I love setting spray. So I'm gonna lightly tap my face with the Black Radiance True Complexion Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This creamy bronze finish, same kind that I always use. Lightly tapping. Over my makeup. I really like this powder. Alright, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna close this up. Okay, so at this point I should go in with some bronzer, but I didn't bring my bronzing brush. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I really don't. So I'm not gonna do any bronzer because I didn't bring my brush. So I'm gonna lightly go on my lower lash line with that blue color again. Lower lash line, lashes, and then highlight, and I'm done. And I don't like putting on mascara after doing my lashes, but I feel like I need to today. Okay, my favorite part, highlighter, going in with the Milani Strobe Light highlighter. This is the color Glowing. It's number 4. It's the darkest one they have. Oh, so pretty. And then directly on top of that, I'm going to use my Trophy Wife. If I can find my fan brush. Going in my fan brush, swiping it over Fenty, because like I said, this stuff is really, like, I'm barely touching my face with it. So pretty. Okay, now I'm not gonna do any lipstick. I'm just gonna do lip gloss, but I'm gonna set my face first with the LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Spray. Just a random piece of mail I didn't even know was blue. Matches the whole theme we got going on here. Alright, so I sprayed a little bit more setting spray. This wig, y'all. Let me zoom out. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope it was easy for you to follow. I will have a link below for the crayon case, even though it does not restock until May 18th. But if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.